Manjari, namaste, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are up for a very nice event in our college. It's called Jananam. So who else will explain better than the coordinators themselves? So the mic is up to them.
So hi all, Jananam is basically our annual cultural fest in our college. So as you all know, in Kumaraguru there are lots of clubs from Kural Club, which is what we are part of, and then there is the dance club called Evoke, and then Agrita, which is the music club. So this is a platform where all the clubs can exhibit their talent and show their talent on stage.
And when we talk about Jananam, it is not just a concert. It's a concert for a cause where all the funds which are collected are used for the socio constant of Yugam. So this is not just an entertainment event. At the same time, we follow a lot of good things and ethics which follow in this.
I mean, I think they've summed it up the best way, but I'll tell you this. It's gonna be a fun, wholesome entertainment night today. So we're gonna have like the Yogasana performance, we're gonna have the Bandagata, the music club performing, we're gonna have the Evoke performing, and we're gonna have the Number Hip Hop. It's the own production house that's gonna perform. So it's gonna be like a fun, chill, wholesome entertainment night tonight. Yeah.
In one word, it is like honoring all the talents of Kumaraguru.
That's right.
So see you in Jananam. So this is the stage and I will show you the sitting area. It is not full, but in few minutes all the seats will be fully occupied. So guys, now I am in the ground where Jananam is going to take place. I am also one of those faculty staff who has been, asked to take in control for the crowd control. So I am here with some of my staff members to get some briefing from senior faculties about what is our duty exactly here in the field.
இப்போ ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னா சவுண்ட் வரும் பாரு ஜனநாயகன் so yes okay on the count of 3 2 1 let's give it up for Hasya.
Three, two, one. Makale, put your hands together to welcome Kumaraguru Martial Arts Club. Before we start, we do something called as a sound check. Are you ready? Yes. Treble check. Bass check, or more like bass check. Do you want to hear it together, the treble and the bass? Yeah. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3
we go. Go what? Come out with the new this always. I don't even mind if it grows strong about me. You being good doesn't mean they can achieve it. Your attitude stays high, all about it. Covered up if you start to cover up. Codified it hard, pretending to be cool enough. Trying too much to overdo it, what you do. Pity that you don't even know it's just a boo. Shatter in the spotlight, the truth get exposed. Pressure on the name and the craft such a show. Energy loud, but the wishes stay small.
பிள்ளை அத்தாரிட்டி எதுக்கு மனுஷனை பார்த்தாலே பிடிக்குது கிறுக்கு பிரச்சனைன்னு பக்கம் வந்தா அடிச்சு நீ நவுத்து ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு வந்தது முடிஞ்சிரு கணக்கு இப்போ அட்வைஸ் பண்ண வந்தா பண்ண தேவா இல்ல கிளம்பு சோகத்தில் சிரிக்கிற நாங்க கொஞ்சம் குறும்பு
Wanna be the one that you cut it off from the past, don't bring it back, move on. Know it hurts, I know it's never in your heart, but you ain't gotta be so real. I've been there, doubting every step I take. I am on the break, no rest, no more race. Say it sweet, say it twice, yeah, I'm on the
Classical music performance.
Once again, can we hear it up for Team Tharangam?
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the one and only Team Evo!
எங்கேயோ போகின்ற மேகம் நிற்குது என் பேரை உன் பேரை சொல்லி அழைக்குது லவ் பண்ணு லவ் பண்ணு ஒரு புன்னகை பூவே சிறு பூக்களின் தீவே நீ என்னை மட்டும் காதல் பண்ணு என் வாழைவு நெஞ்சும் உன் காலடி கெஞ்சும் சிறு காதல் பிச்சை போடு கண்ணு सा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के पूछो तो थोड़ा रंग घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के सारे रजनी If you're feeling my pain, then let me explain.
So guys, I'm finally back in my room after a quick dinner. It's quite late and I'm completely exhausted. So if you enjoy such kind of content where I take you along to the events taking place in the college, then please make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care and good night.